Thanks to SpaceX, NASA, and other space agencies and private companies, space is popular once again. What better way to participate than with your own telescope, that you can set up in your backyard and start seeing the moon, planets, and other night sky objects. Today I would like to introduce you to the National Geographic NG114mm Newtonian Telescope with Equatorial Mount. It is a reflector telescope that uses a curved 6-inch mirror to collect and reflect light toward the eyepiece. Included with this telescope are an adjustable tripod with attachable accessory tray, a large objective lens, flexible shafts for both right ascension adjustment and declination adjustment, the main telescope itself, a red dot viewfinder, which comes in very handy, a counterweight, and a pair of Plossl eyepieces. Assembling all of these pieces takes a little bit of time. In fact, this probably took me about a half hour, or so, to fully put together. If you have never assembled a telescope before, it could take a little longer. Once I had it all put together, I had a nice powerful telescope to play with. I decided to test it out first on the moon, as it was easy to aim and focus the telescope at a large object. The video playing behind me was made by placing a smartphone's camera up to the lens and shooting. It's difficult to hold the phone steady, and it's super difficult to get everything lined up in the first place. This makes it difficult to get anything at all recorded, and what you do get is liable to be at least somewhat blurry as the camera never quite has a chance to fully focus. Still, I was really happy with this image, and it does give a pretty good idea of the amount of detail you can see with the National Geographic Newtonian Telescope. Please take note that it takes a bit of getting used to the telescope and its various parts and features, when you're first getting started, and there is a decent learning curve, but it's so worth it to take the time to figure it out. I can easily recommend the National Geographic Newtonian Telescope with Equatorial Mount to anyone that might be interested in taking up astronomy as a hobby. Just click the link in description box below video to learn more about the National Geographic Newtonian Telescope. Also, would appreciate a like, thanks.